Hey, welcome back to another Smoke Show Happy Hour. I'm Jack.
I'm Lauren.
And today we're making an apple pomegranate spritz.
I'm very excited about this. I love spritzes, especially because it's spritz season right now.
Is it?
So, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
So we're making like a little transitional spritz, I guess.
Awesome.
And this is my first time back, so this is the first recipe we're doing with me back.
Yeah, in like 2 months.
Yeah, in like a long time.
Crazy.
So what you're gonna need for this is Campari, we're gonna need Prosecco, apple cider, and then pomegranate juice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by mixing it first, and then we're gonna top it with the Prosecco at the end. And then we're also going to smoke it with
rosemary.
Yes.
Yeah, and one note on the apple cider, we're filming this in August. It's gonna be releasing in September. If you can't find apple cider, just use apple juice, or they also have like the powdered stuff that you can like turn into apple cider.
Yes, which is what we
use. Probably not the best, but since we filmed so early, we have to use that. So use what you have available.
Yeah. So we're gonna start by doing Campari. It'd be interesting to try this with other types of liqueur too.
Yeah.
To see how it would work. So we're gonna do 3 ounces of this.
This is a big drink, so we're making 2 of them.
This is a very big drink. And we have 2 little glasses.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll make enough for us. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. I love pomegranate juice.
Yeah, me too. I haven't had it in so long.
I also haven't had it in so long, which is, I'm excited that we have the rest of the bottle because look how much.
Yeah, we're gonna crush.
Yeah, yeah. We're gonna crush it, okay. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of the apple cider. I almost said vinegar.
Ooh.
Okay. Perfect.
All right.
This is a really simple drink, so I feel like it's easy to enjoy pretty quickly. You can also make it in the glass too.
Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say you definitely don't have to mix it.
Yeah.
It just gets everything nice and cold.
Yeah. So we're gonna mix this up.
It has such a nice color too.
I feel like the spoon is a little crooked. Do you see that?
Yeah. It's
That's
definitely
so funny.
bad.
We've had it for a while. So.
Yeah.
All right.
We got new ones coming though. See?
Yeah. All right. And then I think I'm gonna strain it and then there's just Prosecco on.
Yeah, we'll strain and then we can smoke it and then we can add the Prosecco.
All right.
That always gives it a nice little appeal when you're adding the Prosecco. It kind of bubbles and the smoke comes out the top.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna strain this in. We have some crushed ice already in our glass. I think I'm gonna keep it like that.
You shorted me. That's okay. We can just make one. That's okay.
So...
I thought it was gonna be so much bigger than it ended up.
I was like, ow!
So
there's
funny.
nothing left. Okay, I'm just gonna top this one off.
We're a little rusty. It's been a while.
Yeah, obviously, as you can tell. All right.
All right, I'm gonna smoke this now.
Okay.
And
I will get the Prosecco opened.
Sweet. Yeah, we're using rosemary, which I like a lot with Campari. Anytime something has Campari, I pretty much default to using rosemary because it just goes so well together. But you could probably use anything. Thyme would be good. If you're using Campari as your cordial or your liqueur of choice, I'd recommend something strong as the smoke flavor because it does, need something to hold up to it.
Right,
It smells
to
so good.
overpower. I know it does smell good. I love the color of it too.
Yeah, me too.
I hope I left enough room. It's gonna be pretty cool.
It's gonna be a little spritzy.
It's gonna be a slight spritz.
Well, I'll let you do the honors since it's your first time back.
Let me do a little mixture here. This is like
The color is awesome though.
one of the easiest recipes we've made in a while.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited. Cheers.
Good?
That is so good.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
man. Let's see. I think you would have had the same reaction if you're watching this. I'm going to put a card. There's a Thai sticky rice cocktail. She would have had the same reaction.
You know what's funny is after the video, he brought it out to me and I was like, I need to make that at home.
This is really good.
Isn't it good? It's
yeah.
like slightly, you get hit with a bunch of different flavors. It's like sweet, but bitter at the same time.
Definitely bitter. Like Campari is like the flavor of the rind of a grapefruit, and then you've got the pomegranate, which is pretty bitter. And if you add more Prosecco, it might cut it a little bit.
Prosecco, yeah.
But this is not like a sweet cocktail lover's drink. This is like I love this. This is right up my alley.
Perfect.
Yeah,
this is like the perfect spritz.
This
I like
great.
Aperol spritzes, so I kind of like it like bitter.
Yeah.
So Highly
yeah,
recommend trying this.
That's a good point too. If you use the Aperol, it's gonna be less bitter than the Campari. Campari
True.
is very strong in flavor. So
Yes.
yeah, this is great. So this is our apple pomegranate fall spritz transition from summer to fall.
Transitional spritz. I'm gonna take notes.
Yeah, we're gonna be throughout the rest of this month. We're kind of moving from the summer drinks to the fall drinks. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We've got some really good stuff planned, honestly.
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna like it too.
Yeah, for sure. So if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post new videos every Thursday. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions on the recipe. And if you make it, please send us a video or a picture on Instagram or TikTok. We always reshare it. So it's a lot of fun. So
Yeah.
all right. Cheers.
Cheers.